That is the sound of a saddleback. Or, wow, and there's some fantails. And this is an episode of Gardener Gone Wild. And here is lots of birdies. Anyway, it doesn't look too bad down here, but it's a bit of a moist, windy-ish morning. That's why all the birds are under shelter of a little canopy here. And yes, I suppose I'll let this moist episode continue. And here is the video. And as you can see, it's also rather wet. So yes, where were we? It's also rather wet. And I think today's episode is going to be a short one. Had some nice birdies, which is nice. And yeah, I almost think I don't want to be out in this weather for some reason. It's odd, isn't it? Weird thoughts that pop into your head when it starts raining. It's odd. Very, very odd. Odd indeed. I don't think it's going to be bushwalk weather. I mean, I could, but I could also just go into Wellington and relax at the library instead. Or just go home. There's many different options you can do with your life. You don't necessarily have to be out in the moisture all the time. I know I should probably put this yellow rain jacket on, but I might do that soon. You might have noticed my hair has changed a bit. I wonder how long that will last. Yes. These flowers are quite nice here on that tree. I don't know what that tree is, but flowers are rather nice. Very nice flowers. Small and pinky-ish. So anyway, I think the camera's getting a bit wet, so I need to end the video here. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe, because this is a YouTube channel and that basically sums up my, it's not necessarily job, but it's my job here. My job at the end of the day is to get you watching my videos, because that's cool. I hope these videos are cool, and yeah, if you think they are cool, you can always tell me about it in the comments section. Anyway, that's all for now. Remember to stay dry and keep planting plants, eating plants, and looking at plants, because life is plants and plants are life. For now, goodbye. Oh yes, and the option of seeking shelter in a bus stop or bus shelter, because bus stops don't necessarily always have shelters, is a very smart and practical solution.